before we reach Udziro Lake. It's really hard to hike there. Hi, this is Racha, it's called Racha, and we are going to Udziro Lake. So we just passed 5 kilometers and elevation around 1 kilometer. The trail isn't easy, you must be prepared for it, better to have hiking sticks. Also nice panorama here, you can see glaciers at the north side. One of them is Buba glacier. Is also nice to visit it tomorrow probably. I'm going to visit it. And while you are going through the pass, there are a lot of trees, forest, a little bit wet in July, but nice place, big area with a panorama view, some kind of field on 2000 meters. Let's continue work, and later I will show you a lake. It's called Udziro Lake, the main lake here, the purpose of our trip.